In this video, we will learn how to install VirtualBox on Mac. So let's begin. VirtualBox on Mac OS or MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, any other MacBook, just go and open your browser and here search in for VirtualBox, download. So here we are. So open this link, that is virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Here we are. Just go and click on this OS X host because we are going to download and install for Mac. Click on this and it would start downloading. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I would cancel this one and directly go to my downloads. And here I have this VirtualBox. So just go and double click on this. And here is a verifying process that would take a bit of a time. Just go and wait for this process to complete. So here we are. What you need to do is you need to just go and double click on this virtualbox.pkg. Click on continue. Now click on continue. Here click on install. Enter your MacBook or MacBook Air or MacBook Pro password and click on install software. And here we are. It would take a bit of a time for writing the files and installing the required files. So just go and wait for the process to complete. So it says the installation was successful. So just go and click on close. And if you want to keep the setup or move it to the trash as you need it. So now if you want to get the VirtualBox, just go to your applications and here search in for the VirtualBox. Either you can also go to this menu and here search in for the VirtualBox, or you can go to command space spotlight search and here search in for VirtualBox. So here we have VirtualBox, open it. And here we are. Now you can just go and import or export or whatever you want to set up, just go and set up that. So hope it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.